Morning guys. So it is actually my birthday today and I thought I would vlog it because now I have this new camera and now I can vlog on it. Today will probably just be really chill because I don't do much for my birthdays. I just like to hang out with my family. So I think we're just gonna have some sushi later. I'm not sure what we're gonna do throughout the day. It's probably just kind of gonna be my birthday vlog slash day in my life because I don't do anything extravagant for my birthday. But since it is my birthday, instead of me making coffee, I'm getting it made for me. Also, we have this amazing friend today. So I woke up at about 9. It's 10 now. I've been laying in bed for like an hour basically. I checked all of my birthday texts and Instagrams and now I'm about to check my Facebook ones. Facebook I don't really go on. I just have some close friends and only family on Facebook, so I'm gonna check those now.
That's a good picture.
That is an ugly picture. I'm not good at Facebook at all. Oh, here, I found it.
Looks like you're somewhere in California.
No, it doesn't.
There are palm tree things.
California wearing a sweater and a leather jacket.
Yeah.
This is the wonderful picture that was posted of me. Canon says, happy birthday, eat some hot Cheetos. Thanks for all my birthday wishes. And my husband, who doesn't want to be on camera, was supposed to work today, but he actually randomly got the day off just last night. So now I get him for the whole entire day. And for my birthday, he actually got me this camera, but he gave it to me early so I can start making my videos earlier. I think I got this 2 weeks ago, maybe 1 week ago, but I've been loving it ever since. Now I got the hang of it. Another thing that I do every single morning, whether it's my birthday or not, this is the devotion that I read. I found out Kourtney Kardashian reads the same one. So cool. But I got this as a gift years and years ago and it has been one of my favorite gifts I've ever gotten. So this is my devotion called Jesus Calling. It's just a devotion every single day and I like to read it in the mornings to start off my day. I used to read it at night, but I found it more useful to me when I read it to start off my day. Today's is November 27th, devotion of the day, and then it also has Bible verses at the end. You can search them up on your phone, but I like to read them straight from my Bible, so I'm going to go ahead and do my devotion now. I just painted my nails this color. What color was this? I should go get it so I can show you. And wow, am I ever happy that that decided to just land on my face on my birthday. That's wonderful. Where did I put, oh there it is. Okay, so this guy is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in the shade Jealous Boyfriend. Anywho, I'm gonna do my makeup now. I have no idea what I'm wearing today. I think me and my hubby, after I get ready, are going to go out and get coffee or something. We went to the gym for like an hour, so I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair right now. He's not really a camera guy, so I don't think he's gonna be on the vlogs, but maybe eventually. I'll try. I have this little tripod thing. I'm gonna try and put it somewhere. I mean, I feel like that's super crooked, but hopefully not. My hair looks insane right now. I'm going to go put on some music. My makeup, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably nothing crazy. I've been doing lots of face makeup recently and then like a bold lip. Probably what I'll do, and I'll probably wear fake eyelashes so they can look a little bit longer. I put on some tanner last night. As you can probably tell by my horrible hands and my white face. Ever since I did that Catrice video, I cannot put down their makeup. I've been using this foundation by Catrice ever since I did that video. So I kind of let my fake tan come off and it matched, but now this will not match today. So I will have to use this one, which I still love. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Foundation. But first, I'm obsessed with this primer because if you saw that video, you would have seen it completely takes away my little fine lines on my forehead. I don't know why I'm doing a close-up right now because my skin is horrendous.
I hope I keep a side of the bed warm. If that's the only thing that you've been keeping me around for. I get uncomfortable. Things get comfortable. You're everything and nothing else. Make this here with all the ice on in the
My Spotify is glitched, so excuse you. What time is it right now? It's 1:26 p.m.
2 of them.
We got our grandparent cards. They always give us cards. Adam's birthday is on the 29th. We have 2 days apart. Early day gift from my mom. This is one of my favorite wines ever. Jacob's Creek Double Barrel. My favorite chocolate bar, marzipan. Whoop whoop. Oh, excuse you. Please don't put your nose on this. Oh my goodness. Someone is trying to put his nose on my lens. That is just not okay. That's not okay. You wanna open the card, Coda? Wanna open the card? Come on. Come. 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 What's this? What's this? Oh my goodness. Wrote a song for your birthday. Okay, excuse you, please. Please. That's funny because it says inside the card for your gift. I'm not going to play it. And I thought I was going to open this and it was going to sing a song, and I slightly was hoping it wasn't going to be an annoying song. But I wasn't going to admit that, but now I'm going to admit it because that's funny. But now I'm going to pick what I'm going to wear. Just something super cash. Right now I'm in my closet. My closet, please don't judge me, is so messy and very unorganized. No, come on. I don't want to give you your birthday gift when it's unwrapped.
But we have the day off together. We can take pictures.
Adam wants his birthday gift early. You think you're gonna get your gift early? You were sadly mistaken. He's saying this because we're celebrating both our birthdays according to you two.
Oh, haha.
Yeah, this is sushi for him.
I know, that's what he said. So he gets one gift. This is very quickly turning into Adam's birthday vlog. But whatever.
Wow. Is this my gift?
No, it's not what you think.
Oh, please.
Okay, so I'm dressed now. I just put on something super casual. Just a silk tank top, jeans, and then these boots. These are Kendall and Kylie. These are Boohoo, and then my tank top. My tank top, I think, is Urban Planet. So yeah, that's my outfit for now, and then obviously I'm gonna put on my winter coat because it's freezing outside, but that is what I'm wearing. And then I just put on a nude liquid lipstick. This is a One Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Nudie Patootie, and I put an Essence lipstick right on top. I think it was in the shade Porcelain Doll. Off to coffee we go.
Still give free birthday drinks?
You guys still give free birthday drinks?
Yeah, you get a free small drink.
Okay. Can I get a small mochaccillo then with no whip?
No whip? Anything else you need?
No, that's it, thanks.
Okay. You get a free drink at Belen's on your birthday, but I didn't want one, so I got my husband his mochaccillo because it's his favorite. And then I just got some McDonald's fries to tie us over. We're gonna have sushi at 6:37, which is in like an hour and a half. So we got that to tie us over. And we dropped off, my face is red from these people's taillights. We dropped off our dog Hoda. We always drop him off at his parents' house, Adam's parents' house, because he doesn't like to be alone. So when we do stuff, we drop him off there because they love to watch him and he loves to run around there with their dog. So now we're just gonna go and get him and then head back to our place so I can clean up a little and then we're gonna have some sushi and wine. Not only did I get one of my favorite wine, I got two from my mother-in-law. Now I'm stocked up. We are getting new countertops very soon, by the way. These are not staying. It's 6:35 now. I just cleaned up the living room because that was the most important thing to clean because that's where we're all gonna sit. The kitchen's pretty much clean, but I'm just going to tidy up the counters and get the stuff off of them. And then Adam vacuumed and mopped earlier, so that's good to go. But yeah, my family's coming over at 7. So I got to clean up the rest and I'm gonna charge my battery while I do that because this is almost dead. Aloha. This is what I've been wanting for so long. The mom dresser. Ah. My parents got this for me for my B-day.
Break it.
There's the glass.
That's the mom end table. Because this is the bed frame we're gonna get, so they got us the matching end table.
And they're sleeping early.
Which one do I get? The puppy.
Wow.
Yes, that was the slowest thing ever. Hey, Adam. We do that at the same time. When winning wasn't an option, that all was wanted.
When winning wasn't an option.
That all was wanted. Brooke.
Yes.
Lights.
Yeah.
Bites.
Likes.
Only way it
Bites.
goes.
Yes.
Gotta be.
Bites.
Bananas.
Bananas.
Yeah. Something grand. Playground. Boy. Band.
My new dresser. Desk. My new desk has one giant drawer. No other drawers, just one giant one. So it matches my dresser that I already have. This is the end table, which is also a mom. And then we'll eventually get the bed frame. Okay guys, well I'm gonna end my vlog here. I'm just gonna get ready for bed. go to bed. Sorry it wasn't anything extravagant. I usually just do something super chill for my birthday. I like just hanging out with my family, sometimes close friends if they can make it. But yeah, I was super happy with my birthday today. So I hope you enjoyed my very first vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video if you like vlogs and you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.